Hi, I'm Gina Edwards, celebrity manicurist and Kiss brand ambassador. I've been working with Kiss for over 15 years, and throughout those 15 remarkable years, we've done countless New York Fashion Week shows. We've created beautiful nail looks. We've connected with people, provided education, went on gorgeous brand trips. And I'm gonna walk you through my highlights throughout my journey with Kiss. My first huge collaboration with Kiss was the Salon Secrets Nail Starter Kit, which included a booklet, which included 4 nail artists, one being myself, and we created nail looks and steps to show you how you can create on-trend nail looks at home. Another great highlight for me is New York Fashion Week. You work with designers, you work with Kiss, you work between the brand and the designer to create and execute a nail look for 20 to sometimes 60 models to walk down the runway. Markarian is one that I remember where the designer, she gave us the embellishments for her collection, and she said to me, "You do what you do best," because she trusted the Kiss and she trusted me as an artist to execute those looks. I also love Christian Siriano. That was a piano nail. It was a black and white nail over this gorgeous teal color. It's just beautiful. One nail look that I'll never forget was from Alice and Olivia. She wanted handcrafted butterflies that lifted from the nails, giving us a 4-dimensional, not even 3-dimensional, more like a 5-dimensional nail look. A great highlight are the brand trips, where I host master classes, which educates you from the cuticle care, how to take care of your nail before you do the application, which is so important, and people often neglect that. And it's also a way for me to just bring the nail community together. Another fun feature, which I love, was Gina's Corner. It was labeled Gina's Corner. Why Gina's Corner? Because Gina has great tips. I was featured on the website, and it was basically me doing fun videos, showing you application process. I'm all about education. I'm all about making you feel better than you already feel with a great set of nails. And it was just fun. It was a way for me to connect with you and for you to connect with me. I hope you enjoyed the highlights from the past 15 years. I know I've loved every moment with Kiss, and stay tuned for another 15 years.